My name is Saliha. Today I'm gonna tell a story about Bolt, the super dog of adventure. Story of courage, friendship, and love. Bolt is a brave white dog. He thinks he has superpowers because he is a star in a TV show. But Bolt believes the show is real. Bolt wants to protect his owner Penny from danger. He thinks villains are always chasing her. So Bolt is always ready for action. One day, Bolt accidentally gets shipped far away from Hollywood. He finds himself alone in a real world. But here his powers do not work. Bold met a clever cat named Mitten and a funny hamster named Rhino. They joined him on his journey to find Penny. As they travel together, Bold learns the truth. He does not have superpowers, but he discovers something even greater. Real, real courage. True hero. When Penny is really in danger, Bold uses his bravery and love to save her. Not with powers, but with his heart. Indeed, Bold realize he does not need to be a superhero on TV. Because in Penny's eyes, he always be a real hero. Don't forget to like and subscribe in Salihashik.